Hello everyone. My name is FG. Welcome to my channel FG Facts Describer. I hope you all will fine. So in this video I will tell you 10 facts about Faisal Mosque. So here are the 10 most rare facts about Faisal Mosque. Fact number 1. Faisal Mosque, located in Islamabad, Pakistan, is named after King Faisal bin Abdul Aziz of Saudi Arabia. Fact number 2. The mosque was designed by Turkish architect Vedat Dalokay and completed in 1986. Fact number 3. It is one of the largest mosques in the world and can hold up to 100,000 worshippers at a time. Fact number 4. The mosque has a unique design with 8 sides and a triangular prayer hall. Fact number 5. It is constructed on a raised platform which makes it visible from all parts of the city. Fact number 6. The white marble used in the construction of the mosque was imported from Greece and Italy. Fact number 7. The mosque's minarets are inspired by Bedouin tents and are 89 meters tall. Fact number 8. The mosque is surrounded by 4 artificial ponds which represent the Islamic belief in the 4 rivers of Jannah, paradise. Fact number 9. The mosque's prayer hall has a capacity to accommodate 10,000 worshippers at a time. Fact number 10. The mosque is illuminated at night and looks ethereal against the backdrop of the Margalla Hills. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you want you can also like my videos and subscribe my channel. Trust me, it's 100% free to like and subscribe.